Hi guys, today I want to show you few mistakes I found in my client track. So it's basically about the baseline. So I want to show you what kind of mistakes he does because he is a beginner. So every beginner is doing mistakes. And today I want to show you these mistakes. First of all, his notes were moved. So that was first mistake for me. I'm pretty sure that he really wants to make it more humanized, so he moved them a little bit from the grid. But I think that baseline it must play actually exactly on the grid. If you gonna have anytime things like this and you want to add them in the grid, you just need to right click and then quantize. So now everything is playing from the on the grids. So that's one mistake. Another mistake is that this baseline is actually too high on octave. Look at this. It's too high. So there is no low end. I can't feel low ends. And that's why it's supposed to be lower. Another thing what I found here is that he shortened notes too much. So if you want to shorten notes on your bass, just you can do it slightly, but not like this. Because it's not gonna work well. You want in full length almost. You want notes like this on your bass if you want to do 116 bass line. So first mistake it was the notes so they weren't on the grid. Another one, the bass is actually too high. It's supposed to be lower, like so. And another thing is that he did also this kind of EQ. So guys, please don't do this kind of EQing on your bass channel because you can bring a lot of different kind of phasing issues during your processing your bass. So that's why it's better to, for example, do low cut around 30 hertz to cut the lowest frequencies and do it on, for example, if you're gonna use fab filter, it's better to use natural phase or zero. Let me actually see. So zero latency or natural phase, because linear phase will move your phase a little bit. So linear phase mode is basically more for mastering chain. Then you can use linear phase. Okay, so look at this now. After these mistakes, and now I will show you my bass and I show you his bass line. So look at this now. His bass. And now my bass. Look at this. So you can drastically change your track if you will make this kind of decisions. All right. Okay. So thank you for today. It was very quick tutorial, very quick video. I really wanted to show you these mistakes. All right. Thank you very much, guys, and see you in next one.